Wow guys, so Terra Classic is up 40%. We're gonna be going over why that is and all this news in today's video. So you're not gonna wanna miss a single second of this video. Make sure you guys watch until the end so you don't miss out on any of this content. And then also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And you guys will also continue to see this awesome Terra Classic news. So yeah, get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section or private Discord with the second link in the description. Let's get right into this video. So Terra Classic, let's look at it. Up 40%. That is just beautiful, amazing. We love it. It's up 43% more than Bitcoin. It's up 44% more than Ethereum. If we take a look at the broader crypto market as a whole, it's currently down 2% over the last day. The market cap's only at 912 billion. And if you look, everything is just in a bloodbath. Everything is red. That's not what we like to see. However, we do like to see Terra Classic being up. We like to see Terra Classic USD or USTC being up as much as it is 115%. And yeah, this is just amazing. This is perfect. They're currently ranked number 210 in the world with a $781 million market cap. The volume is currently 540 million, which is even more than yesterday, which I didn't think we'd be able to keep up for more than a day, but it looks like we have done that. So we're looking extremely good. If we look at the historical data, for such a long time there, we were below 100 million. All of a sudden, we're able to do $500 million per day. We've been doing basically $500 million per day for the past 2 days. Looks like we might be able to continue that into tomorrow as well, up 3% over the past 24 hours. And then just looking at USTC, which is a stable coin that used to be UST, they're up 115% as well. The $438 million market cap, ranked number 80, and the volume is 181 million, which is insane for a stable coin to have that much volume, and their volume is up 118% over the past 24 hours. This is actually a useless stable coin, so I wouldn't suggest investing in this one. I'm just surprised it's up. So yeah, in terms of Terra Classic and Lunc, I do think that this price is here to stay. But let's talk about this news in today's video. But first, I do want to mention, you can get a free stock with the first link in the description. If you just deposit $1 on public.com, you're gonna get a free stock worth up to $300. And also, it's a social investing app. It's a really awesome app where you can see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. So go ahead and get signed up, deposit $1 in public, you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. But anyways, let's get back into this video and get into the news. So if you guys don't know why it's up, basically the activist group Anonymous basically tweet or put a YouTube video up where they said, hey, we're going to investigate Do Kwon and we're going to make him pay for what he did and everything. So Terra Classic, who doesn't really like Do Kwon anymore, us as a community, we were pretty happy about that. Well, I just found this new article saying that, hey, this actually might not be out of their own goodwill. They're doing this. They might actually be trying to shill to the Terra Classic community. So did hacktivist group Anonymous target Terra's Do Kwon, or isn't it affinity scam? So basically a new Anonymous video surfaced and they were basically saying, hey, Do Kwon, we're gonna come after you and we're gonna make sure that you pay for everything you did. We're gonna investigate you. But yeah, they say that arguably the Terra situation was the catalyst for the 2022's bear market. I think we were just at unsustainable highs personally, but thousands of people from all over the world went bankrupt because of it, and Do Kwon's activities around that time seemed suspicious, to say the least. An investigation is in order, and I believe the South Korea police as well as the SEC are investigating it. But Anonymous' vague threat felt very menacing at first, and that is true. Anonymous is looking into Do Kwon's entire history since he entered the crypto space to see what we can learn and bring to light. There is no doubt that there are many more crimes to be discovered in your trail of discussion. That's what he said, or what they said. At a second look, though, the threat feels empty, this this website says. They're going to perform a background check on Do Kwon and not much else, which doesn't mean that hacktivists won't find anything. They very well might. And they said, hey, Do Kwon, if you're listening, sadly, there isn't anything you can do to reverse this. At this point, the only thing we can do is hold you accountable. However, is this about Do Kwon or is this about Anon token? The YouTube comment section is generally positive, and there's a lot of people are saying, hey, you know, we really want you to do this, blah, blah, blah. But it very prominently promotes a cryptocurrency. Anonymous steps into DeFi ecosystem with Anon token. So could this just be to get into the crypto space? Is that what they're trying to do? Since the original hacktivist group is a decentralized organization, in theory, everyone can join and pose operations. However, a token is a for-profit endeavor. Any entity could have created the video with an anonymous aesthetic to use Do Kwon's dislikability as a marketing tool to generate headlines. So this is very possibly what happened here. And no one knows what anonymous is because that's what they are. They're anonymous. Now they are a decentralized organization. So this person could be doing exactly what he says he's doing and looking into Do Kwon's past. But how are we supposed to confirm this? There actually is no way to confirm that he would do that, or that we're gonna actually, you know, get anything good to come out of this situation. So just remember, if you're gonna start investing in Anon token because he's looking into Do Kwon, it could just all be a hoax just to scam you out of money. Anyone can buy that mask and put it on and say that they're anonymous. So I just would be careful. But at the same time, if you want to try to make a quick buck off it, I'm sure there's money to be made, but who knows? Just be careful when you are going into this Anon token. But hopefully this guy does do an investigation into Do Kwon and it does help out the Terra community. I would love that. But yeah, really no way to tell if this person is really going to do what they say. So just be careful. But yeah, before we get into the technical analysis, I do want to mention you can join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. All you have to do is join that second link and you're going to get access to our stock option plays, which have been absolutely printing as of late. And then also our crypto plays with the second link in the description. Join now, it's free. Other than that, let's go into this technical analysis. So in my last Terra video, you would see this chart right here, and we were below our resistance for a while there. We broke above our resistance in that video, and I said, hey, I do see a bit of a bull flag forming, and it looks like we broke out of that bull flag, and I predicted the max we could get to was about the 13. Well, we already got to the 12, and it looks like we've stalled out a bit more here. I wouldn't be surprised if we got all the way to the 13, but from here, we're getting into overbought territory. The RSI is back at about 68. There could be a little bit more to go up to that 13 level, but I'm assuming we're going to start consolidating and making our consolidation between the 11 and the 10. That's what I would assume, but I'll definitely make some updates as this price does, you know, continue to go up or go down. I'll continue to make updates. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over in this video. Yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description, and then also leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any Terra Classic content. That's pretty much going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Zach Friesen with Finance Bro. Take it easy.